Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this new ring light I got in the mail and showing you what it looks like on video and stuff like this. If you want to keep on watching, keep on watching. If not, then click out this video and let's get right in the video. Okay, now I'm opening it. It came like this, look. Supposed to be for a tabletop. Now I'm gonna open it. I really hope it's not a shitty one. You know how them Groupon fuckers are. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like one of these. Hold on. It's a small ring light. Look, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but well, that's not bad. Look, it's a small ring light, and it.
Right.
I wonder if it doesn't have one of them things that you have on top, but that's not even a big deal, is it? It's like this little ring light, and I think it's like 360. Look, you do it this way, watch. You move it, and it goes up and down. First, I'm going to put it on this tripod real quick. It came with a tripod, too. Woo!
Yeah.
You like it? Hold on, let's see if it works though. Just a little small, but see, this is a tripod. I'm wondering, I'm hoping it works. Now let's put this thing on there and see if it works on top. And do the, I think it has different lighting settings too, honey.
Right.
I don't know. It smells like, I don't know, weird. I'm gonna put it in front of me and see if it will work. Uh-oh. And get that power bank first. Hold on. Hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna unhook it. And then see if it will work through this power bank. And it has this little thing, different lightings and settings. Now I'm gonna see if it'll work through here. I'm afraid for my life. I'm just joking. Okay, I'm gonna do the ring light now and show you what it looks like. Come on, why is it not? Oh, because I don't have this on. The power bank. It's better to use these power banks. Let's try and see. It's not bad ring light, actually. Look, it changes colors too. And it looks like this. It's small. This is with my new ring light. I have it up on a tripod. And this is what I was gonna show you. So I put the ring light on top of this tripod, and the tripod is called Zoomy. And it has these little things, look. It's where you can go up and down and stretch it. And then you can move this up and down, look. It is super cool. And I got this little thing on Amazon. And then I got this on Groupon. Let me move this around.
Here you go. It's got residue in it. Yeah, it's down here.
Okay, this is with my new ring light I got in the mail for $18, so just showing you what it looks like on my face, and then I'll turn up the brightnesses and stuff.
Oh, good boy. Okay, let me grab my gloves and I'll look right where he was alerting. Let's put the dope that we find up here, please. Hey, I'm gonna grab my gloves and search right where he alerted, so don't go in there yet. Oh, good boy.
So, and it comes with this little thing on the side, like you can press the buttons and stuff. That goes down. Up. Up more. A little bit more. 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 Goes up really bright. That's all for the brightness on that part. And then I'll show you the different colors. Okay. There's this color. Going up, this is a different color. Brightness. This is a different color. Oh, that's not that. Okay, right there. Different color. Medium. Blue. A little bit light. Warm light. I like this one too. But my favorite's this one. And then it goes up to really bright. I'll count how many. I think it's like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it goes to 10. Actually, and yeah, that's it. Am I gonna use turn these off? It's already be quiet. So, I will put in the description on where I got this mini ring light. I got it on Groupon for $18, and that was with free shipping. And I will put a link down below, and it was only $18 on Groupon, and it will be in my description if you want to go on there and buy it. And it is worth buying, and I like it. Down below on what other videos you would like to see in my next videos. I do reviews, fashion, and all that stuff. So what other videos you would like to see, just comment down below and I'll do it for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, everyone.